Dell Inspiron 15, 13th generation. Unity System Solutions. The strong Dell Inspiron 3530 Intel Core i5 13th Gen is built for daily use. It has a 4.60 GHz 13th generation Intel Core i5 1335U processor, which provides quick and effective performance. The laptop also has 8 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, which together offer enough storage and assure speedy app launches and startup times. The laptop provides beautiful, detailed images with its 15.6-inch Full HD display and Intel UHD graphics. Also, Windows 11 Home and Student 2021, which offers a user-friendly and intuitive interface, is pre-installed on it. The Dell Inspiron 3530 Intel Core i5 13th Gen has a backlit keyboard for smooth typing performance. Additionally, the Dell Inspiron 3530 Intel Core i5 13th Gen has a number of connectivity features, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth V5.0, USB ports, and HDMI connectors. In order to facilitate communication, it also includes a 720p HD webcam and a built-in stereo speaker. The laptop features a modern, attractive appearance with a matte finish that fits perfectly with any environment. It has a solid battery that lasts up to 6 hours, ensuring continuous work all day long. Overall, this laptop is dependable and adaptable, making it ideal for both personal and professional use. Panel size 15.6 inch. Resolution FHD, 1920x1080. Refresh rate 120 Hz. Panel Tech 120 Hz 250 nits WVA anti-glare LED backlit narrow border display. Brightness 250 nits. Keyboard. English International non-backlit keyboard with numeric keypad. Webcam integrated widescreen HD, 720p. Webcam with single digital microphone in plastic chassis. Wi-Fi Realtek Wi-Fi 6 RTL 8852BE. 2x2, 802.11 AX, Mu MIMO, Bluetooth, R, wireless. Audio stereo speakers. 2WX2 equals 4W total. Memory slots, 2 SODIMM slots. Memory type, DDR4. Memory speed, 2666 MHz, for computers shipped with USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C port. 3200 MHz, for computers shipped with USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C port with DisplayPort Alt Mode 1.4 power delivery.